In this video, I'm going to give you guys like a very simple or powerful tool that you can use to actually get filler clips. I call them filler clips for your videos. Now I'm planning to make a video where I want to impute a clip from a movie that's going to say "oh really" for me. Okay, so my script is I will show you how to beat the sapper in this economy in 40 seconds. Then immediately after that, I don't know if some of you have seen that in my videos before, but immediately after that, a scene comes in, a movie clip comes in, right? So I'm going to show you one of the fastest and easiest ways that you can just download any movie clip to say anything that you want. And I'll show you an example so you understand what I'm saying. So you want to go to your browser, and on your browser where you input URL, you want to go to getyarn.io. Okay, this is it. I'll drop the link on the group if you can't catch it here, but you should be able to catch it here. Just getyarn.io, no spaces. All right, no spaces, and click on go. All right. So when getyarn opens, this is what you're going to see. All right, this is what the website looks like. Now you can already see a couple of clips. So I can type in any phrase around I want. So remember the phrase that I wanted to type was "oh really," right? So I just need to come to getyarn.io, search phrase, and just type "oh really," because I'm looking for a clip that immediately I say that thing is going to enter into the, like, it's going to be the next clip there. Okay, I'm just going to, after I type the term I'm looking for here on the search bar, and just click on search, or just click on your own keypad to search, and it's going to search, and it's going to bring cartoons, it's going to bring movie clips that famous people and figures are saying the term that you want. Okay, cool. So I just had to check something with my network. Fine. So now you can see at the top here, you can see movies, you can see music, you can see TV, you can see trailers. So if you go to movies, for instance, it's going to show you movie clips that they said, "oh really." Okay, if you go to music, it's going to show you from music videos where they say, "oh really." And you can see this is from Demi Lovato, so it's very powerful. But let me just go back to all right, and let me open like one of the videos so you see that I can just easily download this and impute it. Okay, so if I say if I, so you can see, so it's like "oh really, oh really." So you can type any term. If, let's say I don't want a cartoon, so I'll just go to movies, right? And I just need to type on anyone and just check the one I like, you know. So all those short clips that can just easily go into your videos. Let me see this. It's very okay. So let me check this. Oh, really? So these are just like the clips that you can put into your videos to spice it up. All right, cool. So that's how this works. And to download, okay, let me just show you. Let me just download one, right? Um, let me just download one. So to download, I think you just have to go here to this download. uh, You just have to go here, right? To this download icon here. I think you just have to click on that, and it's gonna like take you to this place. Now, when you get, if it takes you here, you just want to click on these three dots here, and you will be able to see the download option. Okay, you can just download it, and you're good to go. All right, so you just click on download, and it's going to be downloaded to my phone, and I can use that for my video. All right, so it's really that simple, guys. So I want you to, when you're making videos, and for instance, you get to a place and you say something and you want someone to respond or react, it's a lie. You can just come over here and just type it's a lie, you know, and you can just select from any one of them here. So let me check this black lady and see. You see, so I can just impute this where I want. All right. It's really that simple. Any phrase you want, you just come here and you search for it and you see it. So give this a go, check it out, and show me what you are able to use this for. All right. See you guys in the next video.